I know that there is the new Twice platform coming out soon, and it has been designed to work in this new modern AI era. So maybe just like a quick overview of what is possible with the new Twice platform and how is it working in the AI world and helping the merchants.
Sure, it's going to be super fun to just showcase it rather than to talk about it. But first of all, if we think about the core resources, the inventory, catalog, customers, and order management, we don't force workflows to you, but rather it's quite flexible data models behind it. So you can store quite a lot of different data for each one of the assets, and which means also that when accessed by AI agents or even created from an image by an AI agent, a lot of information can be stored. Then, like a geeky thing, we've utilized some open source taxonomies behind everything. So, for example, one use case that you can do with the new platform is that if you get a product return, you can just snap a picture of it, and we've even made it so that it doesn't have to be with the device. You can use any device available. So in a retail environment, you usually might have one iPad shared by the store personnel. So with our system, you can just like sync it with the session, take a picture of the product, and it creates immediately registers an inventory item for it, and then does all of the things that we discussed here, that it checks what it is, it taxonomically categorizes it, creates attributes for it, does condition grading, pricing, all of the things that you kind of, from a single image, you have immediately a product that you could put into a shop-in-shop secondhand corner, and at the same time being listed online and even listed in any third-party channels that you might be using, like eBay or similar. The core thing that we've made is that all of these assets are AI agent friendly, which means that these database schemas there behind it is, we put a lot of effort in thinking how to make it so that we're not limiting you any of the merchants, but we're rather enabling. We have sensible defaults, but you can take it as far as you want. One cool thing, which I kind of like, that in any view you are in our product, you can kind of see what's the API endpoint or even the MCP, kind of the agent endpoint, for you to create the resource, edit the resource, or even delete it. So how do I access this? Like what I have in my screen right now, how do I access this via programmatically or via an agent? That's, I think, kind of trying to bridge the gap that you understand that anything that you do in the graphical user interface, you could be doing programmatically, which means that an agent could also do it, because we've made sure that the APIs are AI friendly.